Welcome to the NASA Space Apps Challenge 2022. We are from the Moimensing Division. Our team name is Redshift. This is our team. This is Mohammad Sheikal Anwar Shamrat, team leader at Redshift. Our team members, Mohammad Janatul Naim and Shazad Hossain Sajal. Here I present the project, which name is Laniakea. We believe that our team is unique for this project, which is outstanding for this competition. We don't know completely how the universe, its planets and stars, or the Earth came to be. We only know that the Big Bang occurred. The universe had three essential components back then: hydrogen, helium, small amounts of lithium. Oxygen and water are two examples of goods for later life, through the nuclear processes that have occurred at the core of the star at various times. The James Webb Telescope will show us how much universe was created in the aftermath of the Big Bang. The name dark matter is another thing they can obtain here. The greatest thing we have any idea about is dark matter. Simply said, dark matters are the things you can't accomplish on the test, and the things you don't know about. Similarly, scientists have given the label dark matter to entities in the cosmos that are not understood. According to NASA data, dark matter makes up about 27% of the total universe. If there is any disturbance from gravitational waves, the James Webb Telescope can prove very clearly that there is dark matter in this location. And our game will help people learn about the James Webb Space Telescope's amazing capabilities and how it performs in space. From NASA's website, new technologies are being created to aid in the construction of the James Webb Telescope. The biggest main mirror in the world has been mounted into the James Webb Telescope, as has the largest sunshield. It is also the world's most powerful telescope. It has a 5-layer sunshield. Because the lowest portion is continually exposed to the light, it will become hotter. It can reach temperatures of around 358 Kelvin. And each of its layers has a temperature that gradually drops. Finally, the top site must be cryogenic in temperature. At cryogenic temperatures, the molecules inside an item appear to be considerably colder and no longer moving. This temperature is kept at 40 degrees Kelvin. This is said to as the most complicated deployment of a single space mission. We know the whole universe is expanding. Everything is gradually drifting apart from one another. Similarly, this expansion is caused by the light being thinner or having shorter wavelengths. When it reaches to us, the light will become thicker, or the wavelength will increase due to the huge distance. The question is, what is the issue if the wavelength is quite long? Visible light has a wavelength that runs from 400 to 700 nanometers. By increasing the wavelength, this will now be more than 700 nanometers. It is then outside the visible light spectrum. It then collides with the infrared ray. So you can see why infrared has been utilized for so long. The reason is because the light that will emanate from the stars or galaxies that existed at the beginning of creation cannot be seen with the naked eye. They will appear in the form of infrared, and you will want a good instrument like as the James Webb Telescope to catch them, and which we are seeing in here. We used the Blender and Unreal Engine 5 to create this amazing game. Every part of James Webb Space Telescope will show how it works, what can that part do, and how good it is compared with its predecessors. Because the games will show how the Space Telescope will actually work, it will basically show the telescope's operation. To understand the context, our games will explain the electromagnetic spectrum, different electromagnetic wavelengths, wavelength ranges, infrared instruments, and tons of other explanations with voice and visible support. Our game will also explain photos of James Webb Telescope that NASA had released. In the first version of our game will provide structure of James Webb Space Telescope, its rotation, main components, capabilities, and its photo explanations. We will attempt to keep our app up to date. More features will be introduced in the near future. Thanks for watching.